Hello guys and welcome to the channel. I don't usually film at night, but today I'm filming at night because I don't have much time. I haven't had much time. I have had university, I've been working, so it's been kind of hard to be recording during the day. But guys, we're here, and guess what? Today we're cleaning my tire stickers. So a friend of mine recently asked me, "Hey George, how do you clean those tire stickers?" My tire stickers are always dirty or they have grease or anything. So it's very simple. Tire stickers are made up of a rubber compound, and you can use from a mild detergent all the way up to a strong detergent. You just have to be careful not to delete or remove the color from the tire sticker. So this is as simple as it gets, guys. We have a bottle of mass airflow sensor cleaner, which is basically just a gasoline or alcohol type cleaner, and we're going to use a microfiber towel, clean microfiber towel, in order not to transfer any of the dirt from the microfiber onto the tire stickers. Alright guys, we're going to start the cleaning process. Let's get it straight. Straight water would not clean the tire sticker at all. So you're going to go ahead and apply the mass airflow cleaner onto the microfiber towel, so, and you're gently going to scrub on top of the tire sticker. So as you see, all of the dirt transferred over to the microfiber towel, including some of the white color from the tire lettering. But that's fine, those tires are pretty integral, so they have a lot of color deep into the rubber. So guys, as you can see, the tire stickers look a lot better. Alright guys, remember to be gentle on the tire stickers. You don't want the paint to be removed from them. So that is a quick and easy way to actually remove the staining from the tire stickers. And that will actually work for pretty old stains and grease stains as well. This is also a part of a new series called Quick Tips with George. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments section. I'll try my best to actually answer them with my car knowledge. Alright guys, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We'll be doing an in-depth tour of how to clean a very filthy Jeep. Take care guys, and remember to subscribe to Speed to Garage. Nah, not yet.